I really want you guys to see your hair, your skin, your nails, and everything else.
There is a synergy between collagen and colostrum. Well, each of them is amazing in their benefits, which we're going to touch on. The important part is actually bringing them together in combination.
Each of those are strong on their own. Now, a lot of people don't even know about colostrum. And it's something that I've spent a lot of time educating people on recently, but it's very, very important. We do know more about collagen as a population because we've been citing lately in the scientific community how important collagen is. And so I knew that we needed to get the best collagen, but I also knew that if we could find something that was equally strong in the colostrum, we really would produce something that was different than anything in the market.
So when you take collagen, people are promoting collagen for its benefits, but when you consume collagen, right? If you're we love pho, right? So you're getting bone broth and you're getting beef collagen and cartilage, and the the best form of bovine collagen is actually from the sinew of between the hide and muscle, as long as it's extracted properly, which we have. When someone's taking or ingesting collagen, their body isn't just using the collagen and putting it to work. The body is actually breaking down this. Your stomach is breaking apart that collagen into the amino acid profile, and then those amino acids then are assimilated into the body to be created into collagen in the body where it can be used.
My biggest thing were the growth factors and the antibodies. I know how important it is if you can for a mother to breastfeed her child. A lot of people think it stops at that, but the truth is you can get this breast fluid from other mammals. And we know that cows, if you can source them the right way, and if they're treated right, and they can feed their young, but yet you're utilizing this, you're able to give the protein to humans that can help the body and assist the body with fighting infections and bacteria. And it's not on this slide, but not just bacteria. You can really assist the body at promoting that immune system and really regulating the immune response and actually promoting growth and growth hormones, which really helps again with the anti-aging properties, as well as producing antibodies that can fight any kind of infection, whether it's bacterial or viral. And again, I'm so careful because I know this is such a major product. I was very careful too when Clean Slate launched. We don't want to make those claims, but we want to show you guys what these ingredients can do if you're taking it at the right dose and if it's made the right way. One of the reasons I don't like a lot of the colostrum and collagen and proteins that are out there is if you look at them, they've got all these different synthetics that they then put around a patent or proprietary formula. I really wanted to have the purest formula possible and to do something that no one else had done so that we could support more people.
So you have to highlight one specific word on the first line of the statement, and that's the word before, because it is colostrum that is made before breast milk. It is colostrum that in human breast milk is what a mother is generating for the first 2 weeks after a baby is born, because it is the antibodies, it is the growth factors, it is the components of colostrum that actually heals and creates the closed gut lining of a baby that also generates the process to create their entire immune system.